when we speak English for work, for business, or for professional purposes, it's really important to make a strong first impression. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a very strong and long-lasting first impression in English. So let's get started. Okay, in today's video, we're going to discuss a topic that's crucial for both personal and professional success, that is making a great first impression when speaking English. In this video, we'll provide you with practical tips and examples to help you leave a lasting positive impression when communicating in English. So let's get started. The first tip is to dress appropriately. So first and foremost, make sure to dress appropriately for the occasion. Your appearance plays a significant role in how others perceive you, so it's essential to look neat, clean, and well-groomed. Whether you're attending a job interview, a networking event, or a social gathering, dressing appropriately will help you make a great first impression. The next tip is to use a friendly greeting. When you first meet someone, start with a friendly greeting. A warm hello, hey, hi, followed by the person's name can set the stage for a positive interaction. Make sure to smile and make eye contact to show the person you're approachable and genuinely interested in talking to them. For example, hi John, it's nice to meet you. Tip 3, speak clearly and confidently. When we're speaking English, it's essential to speak clearly and confidently. Make an effort to enunciate your words, maintain a steady pace, and use appropriate intonation. This will not only help you convey your message effectively, but also demonstrate your language proficiency and self-assurance. Tip 4, use polite language and phrases. Using polite language and phrases is crucial for making a great first impression when speaking English. Be sure to say please, thank you, and excuse me when appropriate, and address people with their titles such as Mr., Mrs., or Doctor if applicable. This will show you're respectful and well-mannered and help you make a really strong first impression. For example, excuse me, Dr. Smith, could you tell me more about your research? The next tip is to show genuine interest. So to make a great first impression, show genuine interest in the person you're speaking with. Ask open-ended questions about their background, experiences, or opinions, and listen attentively to their responses. This will help you establish rapport and create a positive connection. For example, what inspired you to pursue a career in marketing? The next tip, be mindful of non-verbal communication. Non-verbal communication, such as body language, facial expressions, and eye contact, play a significant role in how other people perceive you. Maintain good posture, maintain eye contact, and use natural gestures to show you're engaged in the conversation. Also, be mindful of personal space and avoid standing too close or too far away from the other person. The next tip, be prepared with conversation topics. To make a great first impression when speaking English, it's helpful to be prepared with a few conversation topics. This can include current events, popular culture, or personal experiences. Having a few topics in mind can help you keep the conversation flowing and avoid any awkward silences. For example, did you catch the latest episode of that popular TV show? What did you think of it? The next tip, practice active listening. So finally, practice active listening to make a great first impression when speaking English. This includes repeating or paraphrasing what the other person has said to show that you're paying attention and to confirm your understanding. Active listening can help you pick up new vocabulary and sentence structures, improving your English fluency. So, for example, you mentioned that you recently traveled to Italy. What was your favorite city to visit? So, to recap, the 8 tips for making a great first impression when speaking English are: 1. Dress appropriately. 2. Use a friendly greeting. 3. Speak clearly and confidently. 4. Use polite language and phrases. 5. Show genuine interest. 6. Be mindful of non-verbal communication. 7. Be prepared with conversation topics. And 8. Practice active listening. If you follow these tips and put them into practice, you'll be well on your way to making a great first impression when speaking English. So that is it for today's video on making a great first impression when speaking English. I hope you found these tips useful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, suggestions, or would like to work on improving your English skills, please feel free to get in touch or leave a comment below. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.